The error code 9 indicates that there are air bubbles present in a device, typically caused by air bubbles in the tubes. To resolve this issue, start by locating the water reservoir lid at the top of the machine and lifting it to pour in clean, filtered water, being careful not to exceed the maximum limit line. Next, unplug the device and wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in. Then, simultaneously press the 12-ounce and K-cup buttons, holding them down until the machine shuts off. Repeat this process, holding the buttons down until the machine turns on, and continue to hold them to force out the air bubbles until the reservoir is empty. Once the reservoir is empty, release the buttons, refill the reservoir with water, and brew a cup of coffee. The device should now function properly without displaying the error code 9.